Welcome to Latest Cars Info, your favorite place for daily updates on the world's most powerful, luxurious, and game-changing vehicles. If you're a true car lover, buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into a monster that's redefining the concept of performance SUVs. This is the 2026 BMW XM, and trust me, it's a beast unlike anything you've seen before. The BMW XM is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution. This is the first standalone M model since the legendary BMW M1, and it's built from the ground up to deliver maximum performance, unmatched style, and bold electrification. BMW didn't just create another SUV, they created a machine that demands your attention. Whether it's standing still or flying down the highway, from the outside, the XM is like something out of a futuristic dream. The front grille is massive and bold, a signature of the new BMW design language, and it's flanked by split LED headlights that give the SUV a razor-sharp stare. The body is muscular and aggressive, with dramatic sculpting, wide fenders, and a stance that screams dominance. The massive wheels, stacked quad exhausts, and unique rear light signature complete the look. It's not just stylish, it's intimidating in the best way possible, but where the XM really shocks the world is under the hood. The 2026 BMW XM is powered by a combination of a 4.4-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 and a powerful electric motor. Together, they produce an incredible 750 horsepower and 738 pounds-ft of torque. That's supercar-level performance in a luxurious SUV body. The XM accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs ever built. And here's the twist, it's a plug-in hybrid. That means it can drive up to 50 miles purely on electric power. So, if you're cruising through the city, you can go silent and emission-free. But when you want to unleash its true nature, the V8 kicks in with a roar that will shake your soul. BMW has found a perfect balance between electric efficiency and raw M-power. Side. The XM is a whole new level of luxury. The cabin is designed with both elegance and aggression. You're surrounded by premium materials, rich leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that reacts to your mood and drive mode. The back seats offer what BMW calls the lounge, a place of comfort and exclusivity, with high-end finishes, wraparound lighting, and plenty of space to stretch out and relax. Technology is at the heart of everything in the XM. You get BMW's newest curved display, powered by the iDrive 9 system. It's fast, smooth, and customizable. There's also a premium Bowers & Wilkins 3D audio system, WRELE's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates to keep everything fresh. From entertainment to vehicle settings, it's all at your fingertips. And of course, the 2026 XM is packed with safety and driver assist tech. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera with parking assist. BMW makes sure this wild ride is also smart and safe. In every way, the 2026 BMW XM is a game changer. It's bold, powerful, electric, and unapologetically different. It's not for everyone, it's for those who lead, not follow. It's for those who want the thrill of a race car, the comfort of a limo, and the bold presence of a super SUV. Thanks for watching Latest Cars Info. If you're excited by cars that push the limits of power, design, and technology, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The future of driving is here, and the XM is leading the way.